If you want to get started in affiliate marketing, you need the right tools for the job. In today's video, I'm going to show you the only 2 tools you're going to need, plus a few bonuses. So if you're interested in creating both financial and time freedom through building multiple streams of residual income, you're in the right place, because here, that's all we talk about. Hi, my name is Jason, and let's dive into today's video. A lot of people want to start their online business, but they don't want the tools. They think they don't need them. And I get it, that was me before. But it just doesn't make sense. That's like becoming a construction worker and just deciding you don't need a hammer or screwdriver. Good luck is all I can say. Or your dream is to become this master baker with the greatest bakery in town, but for some reason you think you can do it without an oven. Sure, all the other bakers are using an oven. The person who trained you in bakery uses an oven, but you can do it without one, right? Wrong. Get your tools for your business. In affiliate marketing, this is sales funnels and email responders. Some other things can help you along, but these 2 are really all you need to get started. And if you want to see my video on how sales funnel works, just click on the notification that's going to pop up. Now, you might say, but I just use Messenger. Okay, and the 7-figure guru who taught you that method uses sales funnels. Or, I get this, I do high-ticket sales. I don't need one. But you learn high-ticket sales from someone who uses sales funnels. How do you think your coach or mentor got you into their high-ticket program? Through the use of a sales funnel. So now we know that you should be using a sales funnel, but what's the best one to use? Personally, I prefer Hba Funnel Builder. First of all, the other funnel builders like ClickFunnels or TD Pages is $100 a month, and Hba is a fraction of the cost at only $25 a month. A lot easier for anyone to get started, but even if you've been doing it for a while, why not save 3/4 of the expense? Also, Hba provides excellent training with step-by-step instructions to get everything set up and working correctly. The techie side of things can be very intimidating for a lot of people, but with their training, they walk you step by step exactly what to do, and literally anyone can do it. I know if it helped me and I got it set up correctly, and I can do it, then you can do it too. Next, they got several templates. Some are customized specifically to convert leads with Hba, and others are more generic that will work for any product and any niche. So they've done all the work for you. They've done all the techie stuff, and they've done all the artist stuff by creating these funnels and teaching you how to set up the funnels. They've done everything for you. All you have to do is set it up with their video guides, and boom, it works. You start making money. Literally that easy. And if you'd like to sign up for Hba, I'll have a link in the description below. I highly suggest you at least check it out and look more into it. So I said 2 tools, right? A sales funnel and an email autoresponder. Well, for the email autoresponder, I use GetResponse. When you sign up, you get a 30-day free trial of their upgraded version, but even after that, it's completely free up to 500 contacts. With GetResponse, you can send out automated emails to your list. So this means when someone clicks on your link, there's no delay. They are added directly to your list and automatically start getting emails and start getting connected with you. You can also add as many lists as you'd like. So if you're promoting like a weight loss program and you decide you want to add in a computer VPN, those are 2 completely different target audiences. You can create separate lists, and on Hba, you can create separate funnels, so you can have multiple funnels connected to multiple lists, no problem. Email marketing is important for affiliates because it allows you to stay in contact with potential customers. Maybe they were too busy or preoccupied before, but once you start sending emails, they'll be twice as likely to go back and buy. Maybe they were running late to the grocery store and didn't have time, but now they're sitting at home, not doing anything. They get your email and they're like, hey, I was interested in that. I got time to read this all or watch the video explaining it. Okay, I'll check it out, and then they end up buying. That's why you want to follow up with people automatically through the use of emails. As your list grows, you're now promoting to thousands of people per email that took you like 5 minutes or less to send out. You can't do that in Messenger. If you'd like to start your free trial to the upgraded version of GetResponse, I have a link to that in the description below as well. So here's the bonus tip for these 2 tools. Did you know that sales funnels and email autoresponders are business expenses? They are actually tax deductible So go ahead and use these as much as possible because the government is basically paying for them anyway. And here's a bonus tip about HBA. It pays out 80% commissions. So you only need 2 and you're already in profit, and it covers the cost of everything else you're using. Rome wasn't built in a day, but it was built with tools. Did you like that? I came up with that myself. Make sure you check out my last video going over HBA in more detail, and go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos on how you can gain both time and financial freedom.